Hello everyone, in this particular video we are going to study about the Section 194N of Income Tax Act tedious on cash withdrawals. The payer is required to detect TDS if their cash withdrawal exceeds a specified limit. Okay, now let's see who is required to direct 3DS when it is required to be deducted and what is threshold limits. The directors are bank, whether private or public, cooperative bank, and the post the page shall be classified into two. On the one sec, the person who has not filed the income tax return for 3 consecutive preceding years. On the other side, the person who has properly filed the income tax return. The reason for this classification is the rates and the threshold limit is different for these two types of person. The threshold limit is 20 lakh if he has not filed proper income tax return. On the other end, it is 1 crore. Pay some more attention at this particular part of this video because this is this favorite for the examiner to test it in the examination. For the person who has not filled properly income tax, no TDS up to the limit of 20 lakhs up to 1 crore. The TDS rate is 2% and beyond. On crossing, the TDS rate is 5. On the other hand, there is no TDS up to the limit of 1 crore and beyond 1 crore the TDS rate is 1%. Okay, let's understand it through an example. Let's take Madhesh and his friend Harshita. One of them is having saving account and the other one is having current account. Actually, this example is made to make you understand that Section 194N is applicable to both savings bank account as well as the current account. Here Madhesh has not filed income tax question for 3 consecutive preceding years. On the other end, Harshita has properly filed income tax return. Both of them has made the following cash with travels. Even though the cash will travel made by these two is same, but the TDS rate is not going to be the same. For mistake, there will be no TDS up to the limit of 20 lakh and there will be TDS at the rate of 2% for the cash withdrawal from 20 lakh to 100 for cash withdrawal beyond 1 crore. That US rate is going to be 5. On the other end, for Miss S, there will be no TDS up to the limit of 1 crore and TDS up to the limit of 1 crore and TDS will be collected at the rate of 2% for cash withdrawal beyond 1 crore. Okay, now let me make some change in this particular example.
Okay, now let me make some changes in this particular example. What if Madhesh has made cash withdrawal for only 99 lakhs? In such case, there will be no TDS in the ends of Miss S as he had properly filed the income tax return booking. What if Madhesh ask me questions withdrawal for only 99 lakhs? In such case, TDS will be directed. Okay, now let's see the non-applicable capabilities. TDS under Section 194 and is not applicable when the payment is made to the government body bank, whether public or private, the business correspondent and the white label ATM operator.